Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate an Authenticator app. First, you'll need to download a reliable Authenticator app from your device's App Store. Popular choices include Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Once installed, open the app and prepare to link it with your online accounts. This initial setup is quick and essential for enhanced security. Next, log into the online account you wish to secure and find its security settings. Locate the two-factor authentication section, often labeled 2FA. Here, you'll typically see an option to set up an Authenticator app. Selecting this will usually present you with a QR code or a secret key, which are vital for the next step in the activation process. Now, open your Authenticator app and select the option to add a new account. You'll typically be prompted to either scan a QR code or manually enter a setup key. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen or carefully type in the secret key. Once recognized, the app will immediately begin generating time-sensitive 6-digit codes. Finally, return to your online account setup page. Enter the current 6-digit code displayed in your Authenticator app into the verification field. This confirms the successful link between your account and the app. Don't forget to save any provided backup codes in a secure location. They are crucial if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app. Your account is now more secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.